Hello friends, welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to explore about healthy food that makes our bodies stay strong and happy.
Yum! I love tasty snacks. What makes our food healthy, Mom?
Yes. So healthy food gives us energy and helps us grow. And it includes food items like fruits. Fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. They help boost the immune system and provide natural energy. Examples include apples, bananas, pears and oranges.
Vegetables are essential for a balanced diet, offering fiber and important nutrients. They improve digestion and support overall health. Examples include spinach, broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers.
Now, next is whole grains. Whole grains provide sustained energy and support heart health. They are a good source of fiber. Examples include brown rice, oats, quinoa, and whole wheat bread.
Lean proteins help build and repair tissues and maintain muscle mass. They are crucial for overall body function. Examples include chicken, fish, tofu, beans, and lean cuts of meat like beef.
Yes. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They support heart health and provide long-lasting energy. Examples include almonds, chia seeds, walnuts, and flax seeds.
Dairy products provide calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for bone health. For those avoiding dairy, there are alternatives like almond milk, soy, yogurt. Examples include milk, cheese, and yogurt, etc.
Healthy fats. Healthy fats are important for brain function and hormone production. They also keep you feeling full. Examples include avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon.
Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices not only add flavor but also have health benefits such as anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants. Examples include turmeric, garlic, ginger, and basil, etc.
Yes, that was amazing information about healthy food. We have more energy to play when we eat healthy and we can have fun every day. Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you tomorrow for more fun learning videos.